hands full of passion, a heart full of grace, turning simple ideas into a...
So here with me, I already have my template ready, and I'm using a jean material for this project, and I also interface the jean material with a wording. Tailors do use it. People that sew clothes does use the wording. So here I'm just tracing out the template out, the pattern out, and the measurement of the pattern is 17 inches by 13 inches. So I'm just cutting that out. I'm going to cut out 2 pieces.
Meets purpose. A ding glow. Unique.
Now, after cutting out everything, I'm going to head over to the gusset aspect. So for the gusset, the measurement for the gusset is 13 inches by 7 inches, and I'm also going to cut 2 pieces of it. Now for that boxy part, I use 0.5 inches upward, 0.5 inches inward. So I'm going to cut it out right now.
From hustle to glory, see the design. Elegant and bold, that's my sign. If it's quality.
Now after cutting the gusset, I went ahead to cut the zipper panel. The zipper panel is 3 inches by 13 inches, and I cut 4 pieces of it since I'm going to double it. Now after cutting the 4 pieces, the next thing you're basically going to do is to cut out your handle that you're going to use for the hand. So the handle is 2 inches for the width that I used. So I measured 4 inches. So I measured 5 inches rather, so that I can fold in I can fold in half inch inside. Then I'm going to retain my 2 inches, and it is unfold. So when unfold, it is 2.5 inches. When you open it, it is 5 inches. The length of the handle is 42 inches. You can as well decide to use 40 inches. So here I am marking the 5 inches. Okay, 5 inches. So I'm going to connect the lines together, and yeah, I'm going to cut it out.
Full of passion, a heart full of grace, turning simple ideas into a luxury space. A dinglow shine, rising every time.
So after cutting it, these are the pieces that we have. These are the 4 pieces: the base, the gusset, and the main body as well. So I'm using the jean material, like I said. So here is the handle. I fold in half inch inward on the both side, and what is left is 2 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure 12 inches upward on the both side of the handle, as you can see me do. So having done this, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to fold in this part this way. You can see how I fold it. That is how you are going to fold it, and you're going to stitch it from that 12-inch line to meet with the 12-inch line you marked on the other side. So just stitch it that way.
A dinglow shine, rising every time. From hustle to glory, see the design. Elegant and bold, that's my sign. If it's quality you want, then it's my line. It's more than fashion, it's purpose I wear. Empowering women, showing them care. A dinglow,
So when you are done stitching it this way, you're just going to take it like this. This part that is opening is going to be facing up like this. The next thing you are going to do is to measure 6 inches from the side inward, and you are going to do this across it, and you are going to connect the lines together. So here from the top, I will go down by 2 inches, and yeah, I'm going to connect the lines together. I will repeat the same thing to the other side, after which I'm going to stitch the handle to it. Now here is the handle of the bag, and I'm placing it on the main body, you can see. So this part of it that is facing outside, where the opening is supposed to face inside. I actually placed it wrong here. I later loosed it, and I had to make it the proper way. So that part that is opening should face inside of the main body of the bag. So you are just going to stitch it the way you are seeing me do, and when you get to that 2 inches line, you are going to stitch it to are going to switch it and continue the stitching. You can see what I am doing here. So that is what you are going to do. I'm just trying to confirm if the 2 inches line is actually accurate, and yeah, it's accurate. So I'm going to continue my stitch.
Unique fashion and design. From nothing to something, I built my way. Every stitch I make has a story to say. With hands full of passion, a heart full of grace, turning simple ideas into a luxury space.
Now you can see how the handle is on the main body of the bag, that it is on the both sides of the bag. So right now I'm just marking 0.5 inches on the down part, and I'm going to connect the lines together. Having done that, I'm going to take the base of the bag and I'm going to place it on that 0.5 inches, and I'm going to stitch it across. So the base, you can see that I already fold half inch inward. So that is how you are going to fold it inward, and yeah, you're going to stitch it that way. And having done that, you are going to stitch on the gusset, as you can see. Now I'm just going to stitch on it round, stitch on the gusset round. Now after stitching everything on the main body of the bag, you are going to repeat the same thing, exactly what you did on the main body of the bag on your lining as well. The only difference is that you are going to add inner pocket to the inner lining, right? And that's all. And now after stitching it that way, just carry the lining and put it inside the bag, right, wrong side to wrong side, then stitch on the edge close like that. Having done that, you are going to mark 1 inch around the bag. That is what you are going to use for the folding aspect of it. So right now, this is the zipper panels. I will just stitch half inch inward on the both sides. After stitching it that way, I'm going to put in half inch of the zip allowance inside. So after stitching it this way, the next thing I went ahead to do is to open the seam. You can iron up the seam allowance, and I fold it inward. The next thing I will do is to take my zipper cloth, and so yes, I took 1 inch away from the zipper panels, and that is where I started putting the zip head. So after fixing it, I marked the midpoint of the clothes, the main body of the bag, and the midpoint of the zipper panels. Now after doing that, the next thing I did was to fold in this part with half an inch, and that is the top area. I got the midpoint, I fold in it in with half an inch, then further fold it in with half an inch again, this time folding it around the panel, the zipper panels. So first of all, I'm using clip to hold it down, then I'm going to proceed with the stitching, and I'm going to stitch it all around.
Simple ideas into a luxury space. A Dinglow shine, rising every time. From hustle to glory, see the design. Elegant and bold, that's my sign. If it's quality you want, then it's my line. It's more than fashion, it's purpose I wear. Empowering women, showing them care. A Dinglow, where passion meets purpose. A Dinglow, unique fashion and design. From nothing to something, I built my way. Every stitch I make has a story to say. With hands full of passion, a heart full of grace, turning simple ideas into a luxury space. A Dinglow shine, rising every time. From hustle to glory, see the design. Elegant and bold, that's my sign. If it's quality you want, then it's my line. It's more than fashion, it's purpose I wear. Empowering women, showing them care. A Dinglow, where passion meets purpose.
So after stitching it with the lining together this way, the next thing I'm going to do is to fold it in with half an inch, just the way I showed you earlier, and I'm going to stitch it round. And after doing that, that is basically the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking. Please like, please share and subscribe as well. Bye.